Herbs and spices. Linda and Jane are learning about herbs and spices for cooking and healthcare in daily life. Watch the video and learn the name of herbs and spices they mention. Situation 1. Favorite herbs and spices. Hi, Linda. What are you doing? Hi, Jane. I'm cooking for lunch. Oh, wow. I see you have a lot of thyme. What will you do with them? These are my favorite herbs when cooking. Whenever I make something, especially bake or stew something, surely I use it. That sounds good. Do you like herbs for cooking? Not really, to be honest. I find them quite hard to mix with ingredients. Really? I think it's quite interesting. It boosts the taste and smell of the dish greatly. I thought so too, and I tried. Maybe I mixed the ingredients together the wrong way? It was pretty bad. I don't think I'm good at cooking. Each herb or spice is suitable for each particular dish. If you mix it wrong, the taste will be difficult to eat. For example, thyme, my favorite one. It is especially suitable for dishes that require a long cooking time, such as baking or stewing. It will create an aroma like a combination of sweet and a little spicy. Oh, I had no idea about that. What ingredients will you cook with them? There are a lot of things such as carrots, potatoes, tomatoes, beef, chicken, lamb, onion. Amazing! Yes, I also love some peppermill on the stew. It smells really good. I've tried it. Pretty good. Absolutely. Peppermill will make your dishes better. Because it has a special spicy taste, not too strong. People who can't eat spicy food can also try it. Great! You are very knowledgeable about cooking. Hey, it's my hobby. Situation 2. Buy ingredients in the supermarket. Hi, Jane. Long time no see. Hi, Linda. What are you doing here? I'm buying some ingredients to prepare to make a beef steak for dinner. My dad really loves it, but this is the first time I tried to make it on my own. That sounds really good. So what have you bought? Not much. I just have beef, sugar, and... what is that? Salt. Oh, I don't know how to make it. I think it's quite easy. I've learned the recipe on the internet. The most important thing is having enough ingredients, including herbs and spices. Amazing. So what are they? Beef, of course. Yeah, I know. And sugar, salt, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and turmeric. Oh my god, a lot of things. Yes. Is that enough? No, you also need fresh herbs. Fresh herbs? What are they? They taste best when sprinkled over meat just before serving. They taste fantastic with steak, burgers, and any grilled beef. That sounds great. So what kinds of them we need? Chives, basil, coriander, parsley. What do you need them for? Well, they are marinated with beef to make the flavor more fragrant. How about thyme? I've heard beef steak can't taste good if it doesn't have it. That's right, I am finding them. Here. So many things. I think it's enough. Other things I already have at home. I forgot. Cinnamon. It really takes a lot of time to prepare the ingredients. But cooking the dish is quite easy. Okay. When we have free time, can you teach me to cook it? Sure. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.